Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next acronyms or abbreviations is only applicable here in the Philippines. This is related to Philippine security agencies. So if you are security guards, then this is the one you're looking for. By the way, what is these acronyms or abbreviations all about? Okay, before I proceed, I would like to inform or to invite all security guards, whatever security agencies that you're working, you are welcome, and I'm inviting you to support, subscribe, and click the notification bell for my next acronyms or abbreviations in my YouTube account. To all security agencies operating here in the Philippines, any security agencies, no favoritism, lahat kayo ay welcome. Ang tinutukoy ko ay security guards. So yung mga kung nagtatrabaho sa security agencies. Okay, ano itong acronyms or abbreviations na tinutukoy ko? Okay. By the way, ito siya ay SOSYA. Hindi pa itong PADPAW. Alam ko yung PADPAW. Ang PADPAW yan ang original. Doon nagsimula ang security agencies. Kailangan member ka to become licensed security guard. Kasi kung hindi ka licensed security guard, you cannot duty as a guard. Okay? SOSYA means, ito napaka-importante ha. SOSYA stands for Supervisory Office for Security Investigation Agencies. Yan po ang ibig sabihin ng SOSYA. Okay? Ulitin ko po, ang SOSYA ay Supervisory Office for Security Investigation Agencies. Yan po ang meaning ng SOSYA. Okay? Bakit ko nasabi itong acronyms or abbreviations dito sa Pilipinas? Kasi sa bawat bansa, bawat security guards nila doon in every countries, iba't ibang agencies. Doon sila galing. Then, depende sa association. Kasi hindi yan lahat pareho. So, kung ito, i-apply sa other countries, iba na yung pangalan ng association. And, depende pa sa kung anong bansa sila galing. Ito siya nationwide, all over Philippines. All over Philippines. Actually, may nag-request, I think isang security guard, and sabi ko, pwede to maging video, pero hindi siya pwede risk kasi yung nakita ko itong laman, hulog siya as video. So, no choice, mapipilitan ako video lang kaysa kasi tinesting ko ito, reels. Sabi ko, flash screen lang, pero hindi ako makasalita. Sabi ko, hindi na to pwede kasi mahaba. So, no choice. Yun lang ang kinaan ko. Okay, thank you so much for listening to this video. Good afternoon.